Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Mini Crafteria. Today I am going to teach you how to make a very simple origami rose. This is a traditional model. I think it is ideal for beginners. And all you need to make it is a square of paper. I recommend 15 by 15 cm square paper. Fold the paper cross from both sides. Fold the paper in half. And collect the cross line. Fold the opposite side in the same way. Now fold the bottom corner to the top. Fold the back side in the same way. Flip the half of the paper from both sides. Connect the 2 points of the paper by touching each other. Fold the back side in the same way. Fill the air through the bottom hole. Open all 4 buds from above. Take 3 by 10 cm paper to make the bottom branch. Roll the paper round and put it in the hole. With this, our origami rose is ready. As I said, very easy to make. I hope most people can. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.